Today we have a 2006 Mazak Quick Turn Nexus 200 MS with a Mazatrol 640T control.
1500 on the main spindle.
The main spindle is running at 1500. 2000, sorry. 2700, 2750. It's got an ATS 16C collet. That's the C axis. Full C on the main, full C on the sub. Tool eye, parts catcher, 12 position turret. You have 3 live tools with this one. 2 are mounted. Now we're going to run the live tool. 1500 on your live tool. 2100. That's 2690. All right. Now we're going to do the sub. That's 2750 on the sub spindle. Down to 2000, sorry. It's the C axis. Here's your parts catcher. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.